Hello, I'm Jeremy Devereaux with Houston Window Experts, and I'm here with Mr. Gaylord. We want to tell you about this special project that we're working on. It's called the Tiny Home Program, and I'll let him talk more about it.
My name is James Gaylord. I am a teacher here at Summer Creek High School in Humble ISD. And what we do is we partner with other schools here in Humble ISD where students design and build homes, tiny homes for homeless veterans. We have a Principles of Architecture class, and then that path continues on to additional architecture classes. And so all of my students come up with their own unique individual design, and then we decide from each year, from all of those designs, which is going to be the next one to be built next year. And so they're 100% student designed and then 100% student built. Luckily, we have wonderful supporters like Houston Window Experts come out and show us the best way to do these things. And so we're all learning as we go from each house to house. But with the help of companies like yours come out and show us how to do it, then the kids take over and actually do the work. I'd like to introduce you to two young ladies who are out there currently working on the house. Kaylin Torres is a senior with us this year, and she designed the house that we're building. So she's our lead architect. And then Gabby Rivera is our project manager. She's a senior as well, and she's in charge of the construction team. She's ultimately responsible for the quality and the production out there. They're two amazing young ladies, and you'll be impressed when you see what they do.
I was a freshman and I wanted to do general surgery, and then I completely switched to architecture. I found out about this program and I was like, oh my god, like I have to be a part of it, like I have to do this. And little did I know I was going to be leading the build team, but it's awesome. I never thought that like 15-year-olds and like 18-year-olds could like build a functional house.
I started in architecture as a freshman, and right now I would be in practicum, but I am an aide because I decided to take construction this year. Being out there, I'm asked constantly questions about my design. I'm thrown like curves like, oh, you need to do this or you can't do this, and it's kind of frustrating at sometimes. But it's just a really good experience because considering I do want to go into architecture getting older, so this is just very, like, it's really good for me since I want to go into this career path. I still can't believe it. Like, I go out there, I'm like, wow, that's really my house.
Every day I walk out and I see her like, I want, like take a deep breath, yeah. And like, oh my god.
Like this was on my computer. Like I designed this on my computer. It's just amazing.
Hers is so tall. Her house is like the tallest house is one of the houses that we built, and it's insane. I see her and she's like, oh my god, like her bay window. Like it's in a little model. It's like a little opening, but when you see it out there, you're like, oh my god, that's huge. That's a ginormous window, and it's crazy. Like, just, if I was you, I would have been like, oh my god.
Yeah.
But like leading the team, that's crazy. I didn't think I would be able to lead a team like of 12 adolescents, making sure they're not on their phone and stuff, and actually telling them what to do, and then having them listen to me. Because sometimes we would have kids who don't want to work and this and this and that. But this year's team is outstanding. They always want to work. They always want to stay busy. They want to do the best they can. And it's great. Like, it's an amazing opportunity to be able to lead a group of kids.
I would say definitely take a shot out of it, because not only are you learning like the framing and the electricity and plumbing and all that, but just knowing that you're doing it for a good cause, for someone who served this country, is just such heartwarming, and it would be a really great thing to do.
And then when you go to this to where all the tiny houses are and you see the veterans living in them, it's crazy. You're like, wow, I built this. Wow, someone's living here and using it. It's functional. It's insane. And then a lot of adults come to us and they're like, oh my god, like, you guys can do this? And it's crazy. They're all like shocked, because I mean, to be fair, we are shocked too, but now it's like a normal thing for us. Now we're like, yeah, we can build a house. Oh yeah, like it's a normal day for us. So I just feel like anyone who can become a part of this program, it's a great opportunity for them. It's an amazing opportunity. It's a great thing to say to like other people, like, yeah, we're building a house.
this is why we wanted to be involved. You know, you're teaching the youth of America architecture. They're learning how to design, they're learning how to build, they're actually doing the work, they're learning skills that are actually going to matter in life, and they get to feel good about something they're doing by helping a homeless veteran get off the street.
Absolutely.
And what a wonderful program.
And that's really what we've just seen over the last couple of years. The houses are beautiful. They're beautifully designed, they're very well constructed, they're beautiful homes, but the house is a happy byproduct. Really, the product is these students. And for me, it's amazing to help them recognize their potential. They can see that they're capable of making the world a better place for someone else at 15 years old, at 16 years old. And if they can do that now, I can't imagine what they'll be capable of 10 years from now, or 20 years from now, when they're really in a position to be able to change the world. So above and beyond the hard skills, soft skills, we're helping them recognize that they can indeed, through their daily work, make the world a better place. That's amazing.
Well, thank you for teaching them and sacrificing. We know how hard it is to be a teacher, and thank you for giving your time and effort into helping the youth of America. We really appreciate you very much.
Thank you very much.